drove all the way to Stell Creek.
Did you? It's cool. New project, boys. Notification over there doing a little film. We're over at Donnie Baker's house.
Hey man, it's Donnie Baker, and I'm on my neighbor's back 40 of his property, and I'm recording this, so if I have to use it as evidence, I'll present it right to his face.
Oh, you can be my lucky nickel.
I'll be your huckleberry.
Oh, that shield. It's tiny. It's kind of pointless.
Hey, did one of y'all look to see if I gave the lock?
That one? No, I think that one does.
It ain't.
Get this bad boy out. We got some mud to go through right here. I'm gonna film that. Go unlock this gate here. We're over at Donnie's house. If y'all new to the channel, y'all can go back and watch the video. He's been on a few of our live streams. Whoa, mud slick. Try to get this open as much as I can here. Boom. Clean my shoes off over here on the old torch board, man. Let's go get Buzz riding this bad boy. Getting pulled out through this mud. No brakes. There's a new project, guys. We didn't bring the ramps, did we? I'll drive it some bitch. Where's it go? I ain't never drove a Razor. The boy's driving a Razor.
It all secretes right here. Give her a look. There you go. You got a little more acid with it. Right.
Your boy's driving a Razor. This thing sounds so nasty.
I'm gonna do that.
Hang on, I'm in reverse.
Don't matter. Come back now. Give him a ride. I am.
This thing runs good, man.
Yeah.
Not big. Not big.
calm down.
Simmer down now.
There you go. Hey, that mud here.
Yes! I love it. Screw a go-kart. This is a man's go-kart right here. Yeah. Weekly guys, if you like that video, hit that subscribe button.